Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to edit this secured PDF. Let's get started. Launch PDFelement on your computer and click the Open Files tab to open your PDF. If this secured PDF file is protected with an open password, then you will get a window pop up to ask for the password. Then please enter the correct password for it. If your secured PDF file is protected with a permission password, when you click to Enable Editing, it will pop up a new window to ask for the permission password. After entering the correct permission password, you can edit the PDF content. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try PDFelement free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time!